This is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV Prime. In association with Micromax. Nothing like anything.
Don't do it. 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 As yummy as your favorite foods may be, they're going to do you much more harm than they're going to do you good. So what you really need to keep in mind is how much damage are they causing to your daily calorie meter.
A billion people with more than 52 languages and multiple dialects. India. And it's only fair we have a plethora of food options to offer. Masala dosa, momos, pav bhaji, pizza, parathas, rajma chawal, kadhi chawal, paneer chawal, lemon tarts, black forest pastries, muffins, dhokla, thepla, fafda, jalebi, halwa, laddu besan, moong and bundi. We have them all. But how do we make sure we can actually have them all? Let's decalorize a few of our tasty yummies. Rajma chawal. This popular choice for a lazy Sunday lunch will rarely stop at just a single serving. Totaling a staggering 285 kilocalories, it could translate roughly into at least an hour's intense workout. And if you're gonna reach out for seconds, do the math. So does that mean we ditch our favorite food? Not necessarily. Replace the white rice with brown rice and you see a dent of 40 kilocalories. Ditch the rice, go with a spicy and lemony rajma chaat. Add a few veggies to it and aha! Now we're talking. One serving adds up to only 130 kilocalories. It fits in perfectly for a meal right after a workout. A single aloo paratha with a dollop of ghee is at a staggering 290 kilocalories. That's another couple of hours at the gym to burn it off. Give it up? Well, you could if you like. Or you could have it without the ghee. That brings the calorie count down to 150 kilocalories.
Do you have a sweet tooth? Do you find yourself reaching for that yummy cake when no one is watching? Well, think again. A single slice of Black Forest cake can cost you 3 hours of gymming or an extra inch around your waistline. Well, I'm not holding you back completely. But when you are reaching out, might as well go for that regular muffin. And to be more sinful, you can add a scoop of vanilla ice cream. There are more good foods to eat and much lesser than a slice of cake.
If you want to play with the big boys of calorie loaders, you have to dive into a double cheeseburger as it weighs in at a huge 350 kilocalories. But if you are a giant slayer, remove the cheese and watch the kilocalorie count drop drastically. Knock the wind out of the sails of a regular margarita pizza by opting for a thin crust instead. For all those South Indian delicacy food fans like me, here's my favorite one, the masala in your masala dosa. That alone is a good 250 calories. Take it out of the equation and you have a lot less workout to do in the gym.
Knowledge is power. Know what you're eating and know when you're overloading your system. Because every calorie counts.